Stop scrolling right now because the ATV you're about to see might be the most exciting comeback Honda has made in years. This is the all-new 2026 Honda TRX300X, and if you think small sport ATVs are boring, this machine is here to prove you wrong. What's up everyone, welcome back to Wheel-Wise Joe, the channel where we break down machines that actually matter. Today we're talking about a legend that's been reimagined for a new generation of riders. The 2026 Honda TRX300X is built for riders who want pure fun, reliability, and real off-road performance without stepping into full race ATV territory. Honda has kept the heart of the TRX300X simple and strong. It comes with a fuel-injected 300 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that's designed for smooth power delivery and long-term durability. This isn't an ATV that needs constant wrenching. You turn the key, hit the throttle, and it just works. That's classic Honda DNA right there. The throttle response feels crisp, especially for trail riding, open fields, and casual track fun. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 TRX300X is its lightweight sport chassis. It feels agile and easy to control, making it perfect for beginners while still being fun for experienced riders. The low seat height gives you confidence, especially if you're stepping up from a smaller quad. The wide stance and long travel suspension help keep things stable when you're pushing harder through corners or hitting uneven terrain. Honda also nailed the suspension setup. The independent front suspension and rear swing arm work together to absorb bumps without feeling too soft or too stiff. Whether you're cruising trails, riding sand, or playing around on dirt tracks, the TRX300X feels balanced and predictable. It's not intimidating, but it's never boring. Braking is handled by reliable disc brakes that give you strong stopping power when you need it most. Add in sporty tires, aggressive styling, and updated graphics for 2026, and this ATV looks just as good as it rides. It has that clean, factory-fresh Honda look that never goes out of style. The 2026 Honda TRX300X is perfect for younger riders, weekend warriors, and anyone who wants a dependable sport ATV without breaking the bank. It's fun, easy to maintain, and built to last for years of riding. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest ATV content, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here on Wheel-Wise Joe. Let me know in the comments, would you ride the new 2026 Honda TRX300X? Or are you looking at something bigger? I'll see you in the next one.